If you want to add Grammarly to Microsoft Word, the easiest and most versatile way is to use Grammarly for desktop. This method is great because it works not only in Word but also in Outlook and almost any other app where you type on your laptop. So if you want writing help across your computer, this is the best place to start. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. First, open your browser and go to grammarly.com/desktop. This is Grammarly's official desktop download page. Once the page loads, download the installer for your computer. After the file finishes downloading, open it and follow the installation prompts on your screen. The setup process is usually quick and straightforward, so just keep clicking through the steps until the installation is complete. After that, Grammarly will ask you to sign in. Log in using your existing Grammarly account, or create one if you do not already have one. Signing in is important because it connects the desktop app to your preferences and writing tools. Once you are signed in, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Start typing as you normally would, and you should see the Grammarly widget appear on the screen. It usually shows up as a floating green G icon that follows your cursor or sits along the side of the window. If you do not see it right away, give it a moment to load, or make sure Grammarly Desktop is running in the background. Click the green G icon to open the Grammarly Suggestions sidebar. From there, Grammarly will begin checking your writing for spelling mistakes, grammar issues, clarity improvements, and style suggestions. As you type in Word, you can review the recommendations and accept the ones you want with just a click. This is what makes Grammarly so useful inside Microsoft Word. Instead of manually checking every sentence, you get real-time guidance while you write. It can help you polish emails, essays, reports, blog posts, and pretty much any document you create. And because this is the desktop version, it gives you broader support across different apps, not just Microsoft Word. If you ever want to stop using it, you can simply close the app or adjust your settings later. But for most people, once Grammarly is installed, it becomes a helpful tool that runs in the background and improves writing automatically. So that's how to add Grammarly to Microsoft Word using Grammarly for desktop. Just download it from the official site, install it, sign in, and then open Word to start using the green G widget and suggestions sidebar. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.